it's Jamie at Remington Lane Crochet, and I am here to talk to you about changing colors in the foundation treble crochet stitch. So I have a section of foundation treble crochet stitches started. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into how we change colors. And changing colors on these foundation stitches is just like changing colors when you would do normal treble crochet, but I'll walk you through the steps. And if you wanna see my tutorial on how to make these foundation treble crochets, I'll be sure to link that down below as well. But here we go. We're going to yarn over 2 times, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, chain 1. Okay, now I'm going to finish out the double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And when there's 2 loops left on the hook, this is where we're going to introduce the new color here. So pull in a new color, take a loop, wrap it around the mouth of my hook, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hold on to my stitches here to hold that tight, and I'm going to pull the new color through. Pretty simple. Okay, now we're ready to do our next foundation treble crochet in this new color. So I like to take the cream yarn here, I'm going to hold that out of the way. I'm going to take the short tail here from my new color. I'm going to hold that kind of with my ring finger and pinky. I'm going to kind of hold that against my work here. So that'll hold that tight while I'm making this next stitch. So yarn over twice, and I'm going to come down here, insert my hook, make sure I get them under the right 2 loops, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, chain 1, finish out the double or the treble crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Now you'll notice that this last loop here, or the top loop of the new stitch, is pretty loose. You can kind of jiggle your yarn through, pull it to make it very similar to how you have the other ones working. And let's go ahead and make a few more stitches so you can see how this changing colors will finish up. So now you just keep making more foundation. Nope, I forgot to yarn over twice. You just make some more foundation treble crochet stitches in your new color. Yarn over twice. Okay. And there you have it. I see this looks a little loose, so I'll pull that tight. But I can get these tails out of my way. And here you can see I have a really nice, kind of clean, pretty clean edge there, where there's 4 stitches, 4 foundation chains. They're all coming together. And then you can weave those ends in when you're done. All right, let me know what you think. Let me know what projects you're making that you can find this stitch helpful, or this technique helpful for, and check back in. Be sure to subscribe so you can get notified when I post new videos.